Once upon a time in a courtroom, the case of Casey v. Hatfield was being heard. The atmosphere was tense as Mrs. Casey, who had been married to the defendant for less than a year, expressed her concerns about their relationship. She believed that her husband's trust issues were putting their marriage at risk and wanted to prove that he was the biological father of their son, Jacob Hatfield. The Honorable Judge Lake welcomed everyone and started the proceedings. Mrs. Casey confirmed her worries, and Mr. Hatfield admitted that his lack of trust stemmed from the time they discovered her pregnancy. They had previously been in a happy relationship, but the revelation of the pregnancy brought about trust issues. Mrs. Casey recounted how she had started babysitting for Mr. Hatfield's family and developed an instant attraction to him. They began chatting, but she was well aware of the rules, including no sleeping with the babysitter on duty. However, they eventually gave in to their feelings, leading to a romantic relationship. The judge questioned Mr. Hatfield about their relationship before marriage, and he admitted that they had a good relationship, albeit with trust issues. Mrs. Casey described their initial encounters, emphasizing her immediate infatuation with him. She expressed her desire for a happily ever after with their little family. The conversation took a turn when it was revealed that Mr. Hatfield had slept with the babysitter, breaking the rules they had agreed upon. However, he clarified that it had occurred after working hours, not during the time Mrs. Casey was babysitting. Suspicion arose when Mrs. Casey discovered text messages in her phone from someone she had been involved with in the past, asking her to be his mistress. Mrs. Casey explained that she had refused the proposition and informed Mr. Hatfield about the messages. However, he still felt there was more to the story, leading to further doubts. He presented the text messages as evidence, indicating that they were unanswered questions from her past lover. Judge Lake examined the text messages, which implied a previous relationship between Mrs. Casey and the sender. Mrs. Casey confirmed their history, but stated that she had remained faithful to Mr. Hatfield. She explained that the sender had messaged her during her pregnancy, asking to meet up, but she consistently declined. The discussion escalated as accusations and counter-accusations flew between the couple. Mr. Hatfield mentioned incidents involving the sender of the text messages, such as unexpected visits to their home late at night. Mrs. Casey denied any wrongdoing, asserting that the visits were related to her family members. Amidst the chaos, Judge Lake tried to make sense of the situation. He confronted Mrs. Casey about allegations of her own infidelity, including sending explicit photos to another person while in bed with Mr. Hatfield. Mrs. Casey defended herself, stating that she had been faithful and denied any cheating. The judge acknowledged the complexity of their relationship and the need for resolution. He mentioned Jacob's physical condition, having only one kidney, and Mr. Hatfield's doubts about being the biological father. This prompted the judge to call an expert, Dr. Tosha Rogers, to shed light on the connection between birth defects and paternity. Dr. Rogers joined the courtroom and provided insights into the issue. She explained that while some birth defects could be hereditary, others might not be. She highlighted that having one kidney was not necessarily a determining factor for paternity, as it could be caused by various factors. The courtroom was filled with tension, As the story unfolded, the judge, along with the expert's testimony, aimed to unravel the truth behind Jacob's paternity. Both Mrs. Casey and Mr. Hatfield desperately sought answers, hoping to find a resolution for their troubled relationship and secure a happy future for their